How to request an e-receipts from Budget. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Budget. In here, simply go to this website of e-receipts. Then add your country. After you've added your country, add your last name. And then add your confirmation rental agreement number. After you've done that, you can press on Get Receipt. Also, to request a receipt, please complete the fields below, which is make sure you're logged into your account. After you do this, click on Get Receipts and you will get e-receipts from here. And this is how to request an e-receipts from Budget. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.